Runway 10, winds are favoring. The moment I push this throttle, everything changes. No instructor, no safety net, just me. Full power, airspeed alive. Rotate, and there it is. Solo climb. Without the extra weight in the right seat, the plane feels completely different. It wants to fly. Leveled off and established on the downwind. This is usually when the cockpit chatter happens. My instructor would be quizzing me on altitude or heading, speeds, but today it's just silence. The engine, even with noise reduction headphones, still sounds louder when you're alone. Slight correction to maintain parallel to the runway. Descending right turn base. Turning final. This is the only thing that matters right now. Airspeed is good. Descent rate is good. Center line is good. Just keep it steady. Eyes on the end of the runway. Car idle. Back. Back. And pilot.